For the past few weeks, I have been using this platform MonoDX, which is an unlimited arbitrage platform that performs arbitrage transaction unlimitedly. And for the last 7 days, I made an open trade, which you can find on this section below. And you can see that the time for this trade to elapse is 9 hours 48 minutes. And with that, I've been withdrawing steadily on this platform. So when I click on this notification, you'll be able to see that I recently withdraw 70 USDT. And when I come to this trading section and come to this history, you'll be able to see that I've been using this platform for a couple of weeks now. And within the next 9 hours, I'm going to get this my 359 USDT on my account. Then I withdraw my profit and use the remaining capital to trade again. Because if you have been following me, you will discover that I said that once you deposit on this platform, let me say 400 that I start with, you can just be trading for a couple of weeks. Then you withdraw your capital, and after withdrawing your capital, you will use your profit to trade, and with that profit you can get more profit. And that is just what I've been doing for a couple of weeks now. But if you want to get full information about this platform, then you just have to watch that video at the top right corner. Then you will get a full understanding of how this platform works. So with that, I'm just going to wait for the next 9 hours or 10 hours for this trade to be successful, and after that I'm going to show you a live trade and show you a live withdrawal from this platform. So after waiting for more than 19 hours, you can see that my money is now showing on my account. And when I click on this notification, you'll be able to see that it says that scalper bot finish work. You understand? That means my open trade is now successful. So when I click on this menu icon and click on wallet, then it will take me to this wallet section, and when I scroll down, you'll be able to see this my USDT TRC20 network. And when I scroll right, you can see that my money, which is the capital I use in this trade, is $359.9, which is equivalent to 360 USDT. And you can see that I earned 38 USDT at the end of the given period. And when I come to this my history section, you'll be able to see this first option that says profit. You can see that it says 38.81 USDT TRC20 network, and the time is 18:33, which is like 10 minutes ago. So after a successful trade, the next thing to do is to come to your wallet section, and on your wallet section you just have to scroll down. Then on this section, which is the available balance, you'll be able to see this option that says reinvest. So all you just need to do is to click on this reinvest icon, and all the total amount which is in your profit will be added to this your available wallet. And you can see that it is showing 398 USDT instead of 359 USDT. So with that, you can just go to your auto trade section, then you open another trade. But before I show you how to place a live trade, let me show you a live withdrawal. So when you go back to your wallet section, you just have to scroll down. Then on this section, you can see these two buttons, deposit and withdraw. You just got to click on withdraw. And before you withdraw, let me give you a quick notice. This money you see on my wallet is my profit that I've made over time. You understand? I've already removed my $400 capital that I started with on this platform. So that is just how it works. You can just deposit, then use it for some time, then you withdraw out your capital, and you can use your own profit to retail. You understand? So in this case, I'm just going to withdraw, let me say 31 USDT, then put my address, then just got to click on withdraw, and you can see that the 31 USDT I've left my total balance. So now the next thing to do is to place a live trade, and for you to do that, you just got to click on this option, then click on auto trade, and on this section you just got to click on start bot. Then on this section you can see all the bots associated with this platform. You can watch that video at the top right corner to understand how I explained and broke down these bots and their function. You can see that the classic bot is starting from $9, while the scalper bot is starting from $150, and the RST bot is starting from $400. But since my money is not up to $400, I'm going to go for this scalper bot, just as the one I went the last time. So I'm just going to click on $150. Then you'll be able to see this currency pair. I click on USDT TRC20/BTC. Then on this period, I click on 1 week, because this week I will be busy, so I don't want to be doing it every day. So I just got to click on 1 week, so I will know that this time next week I'll be expecting my money. Then after that, I just got to leave it the way it is, then put the total percentage 100%, which is 367, then click on start, then yes, and you can see that our bot is now active. So when I go back, you can see the interface, and you can see that the bot actually work, and you can see that your order have been placed, which is counting for in 7 days. So within this short period of time, if you want to cancel this transaction, you can just click on this cancel option, then everything will be cancelled. But you can see the status that it is active. So with that, when you go back to your wallet section, you'll be able to see that there's no money on your account. And when I go to history, you'll be able to see that I just made an active bot, which is this first one, and you can see that my withdrawal that I made is pending. So you just got to wait for it to load up. But you can also watch that video at the top right corner or the video description below to understand more about this platform. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you show it by liking this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free informative content like this. And also join my Telegram community where I give out free updates and free trading signals. So with that being said, as you already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.